Hey everybody, it's Rick Baucom here from STP. Just a little bit of exciting news for us. We're actually helping out the SQuAD people up in Denver. If you don't know what SQuAD is, it's the Software Quality Association of Denver. And they are putting on their biennial conference coming up September 10th through the 11th here at the PPA Center right here in Denver. I'm actually looking right over here at the Broncos Stadium. It's real close into Denver and very easy to get to. So definitely check it out at SQuADCon.org and see what we have in store. We're going to talk to a couple folks inside real quick. They're actually doing a meetup right now. Hey folks, I'm here with Arnold. He's one of the SQuAD participants for tonight. Arnold, tell me a little bit about yourself.
I've been doing software QA testing for 30 years. I've been a member of the SQuAD meetup group for 20 years or so.
Wow.
Maybe not in the beginning, but pretty close. I've been a member of other equivalent meetup groups, and I'm going to the SQuAD conference this September. I'm looking to attend the wonderful workshops they have, as well as hear all the exciting talks on the second day and meet all the vendors.
Very cool. Well, we're really looking forward to it too. So we'll see you in September right here at the PPA Center.
Right.
All right.
Yep.
All right, folks. I'm also here with Jeff Tatelman. He's the founder of SQuAD. Jeff, you've been doing this for quite a long time. Why don't you tell us a little bit about SQuAD and everything like that?
Sure. SQuAD's been around for 22 years. This is our 9th conference in 1 month from today.
Wow.
And it's been really successful. We use the conference to subsidize our monthly meetings, which we have every month except for July. And so we're really excited. We have an amazing lineup of speakers for this year. I think one of the best we've ever had.
Well, we're excited about it. We're excited to be here. And I know that all the folks here in the back that came to today's meeting, they seem to be interested in it as well. So I can't wait for the conference myself because, I always like being in conferences. It's just a lot of fun, a lot of good learning and those kind of things.
Yeah,
so.
great way to learn new things. We're going to be talking about agile and process improvement, the usual topics that people want to hear about.
And I hear we have a few really good keynotes, or 2 really good keynotes. We have Rob Saverin as well as Philip Liu.
That's correct. So both Rob and Rob's been speaking for about 30 years. He's been speaking at different conferences all over the country. Same with Philip. Yeah, Philip as well.
Philip has actually spoken for us before as well. So
oh, great.
I'm great. I'll be glad to see Philip again as well.
And then we have a lot of local people like John Hager. He's been doing conferences as well. Myself.
Yep.
We have some other speakers as well that are local who do the circuit as well. So we're excited. So come on down.
Right, come on down. You guys can register. You can definitely register at SQuADCon.org. Go ahead and check that out. The link's right here below. And we hope to see you guys in September 10th through the 11th here at the PPA Center in Denver, Colorado.
Great.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks. Okay.
All righty. Bye-bye.